You can lie and say that I need makeup, but deep down I know I don't.
Hi guys, what's up? This is me, Sharmishta Ghosh, and I create lifestyle vlogs and traveling currently at Darjeeling. If you're watching my vlogs, then you will know where I am right now. So I just thought of showing you how I do my makeup, as I'm gonna do my makeup for like a little shoot and I will go out now. And yeah, I will also show you how I catfish people on internet. Like, look at me now with all these blemishes, pimple mark, not so good looking girl in here. I'm good looking, but just sometimes I'm just, yeah, you can understand. So yeah, let's get started. So मैंने पहले ही बायो ऑयल लगा लिया face में to prime my face, to moisturize my face, and then I use this Auli Cuddles Deep Nourishing Moisturizer. हो चुका है ये, and then I'm gonna start my makeup. I'm starting with some more moisturizer and what is this, primer, because it's cold out here and super cold out here, super cold, and I need more and more and more moisturizer. I'm using this Belora Paris Illuminating Moisturizer. ये रेडिएंट करता है बहुत स्किन को. This is a gifted product from Belora. I really like it. मतलब this moisturizer is only good when you are like using makeup. मतलब makeup करने से पहले if you are using this, then all it's good. I don't use it normally. मतलब ऐसे ही. Also, I don't like matte finish वाला makeup. I'm more into ना glowy kinda, because my face का जो T-zone है, it's actually very oily, and when I put baking powder like to bake, crease कर जाता है बहुत. And now I'm using Colorbar perfect match primer, water based है ये, and it's pretty good. Also I use this Lakmé का भी gel one. And after doing all this primer and all this, you have to wait. Oh my god, I look ugly. Anyways, moving on. After doing all this, you have to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. I don't have time, so I will not. So starting with the foundation, I use Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless foundation in the shade 230 Natural Puff. I'm gonna use it, and this is my. What are you doing? प्रकाश बार बार आ रहा है वीडियो में and spoiling my video. What the fuck you're doing? Bro, run! नीचे से जा. So I'm just using this foundation. थोड़ा, this much is enough because I will conceal my face. What is this? Is this a makeup video or comedy? I'm not pro at makeup and stuff. I just do it. Like मेरे face में it just looks good, sits well. I don't know it gonna suit you or not, but yeah, this is my makeup. Foundation done. Now I'm gonna use the makeup, मतलब eyeshadow palette. I'm having this eyeshadow palette from UCAN BE. I don't know if it's still available in India. Where is my brush? Going for a brown toned eye makeup look, because I have a dark eye color, तो मेरे आँखों को ब्राउन टोन कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है. डार्क टोन का यही प्रॉब्लम है. योर डार्क टोन मतलब ब्राउन, डार्क ब्राउन, का यही प्रॉब्लम है कि ये सिर्फ धूप में समझ में आता है और उस तो छोड़ ही दम जस्ट टेकिंग और ये भी दिखाना taking a brown shade, dark brown shade and some light brown shade and just putting it up here. Now I'm just taking a ochre shade, ochre as in very light brown, matlab skin color, ochre shade, and I will just blend it पूरे eyeshadow को ऊपर तक. I just love doing it ऊपर तक. बहुत लाइट टोन है बिकॉज दिस आई मेकअप looks good with any outfit, like if it's vibrant color, if it's nude, if it's black, if it's red, it just goes with any kind of outfit. So I'm gonna change a lot of outfit today. I can, so this will look good. And it's done and just putting a little bit. You see? Nothing complicated. Easy AF. I'm taking this kind of brush. What is this brush? This is a flat brush? No. Something brush. Not pro. So now I'm gonna take some black and again a dark brown shade. And now I'm just gonna put it in आँखों के नीचे ऐसे so that it makes my eye look bigger. Can you relate to this? Like when you do makeup, like आँखों में आँखों ये like automatically हो जाता है यार. If you don't, I just love this. Done with the eyeshadows. Next is this eyeliner, black liquid eyeliner from LAKMÉ Iconic. I will draw a wing eyeliner which I draw every day. Like this makes my eye look bigger. I'm just done with my super dramatic eyeliner. You can see it's done. And now I'm gonna add some mascara. It's from LOreal. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. So yeah, my eyelashes are so small, like even mascara cannot make it big. Like kya bolu, so sad. Eyes are done. Now moving towards the eyebrows. First I will use this brow bro. This is like a eyebrow lifter so that you get the model kind of eyebrows. Like होता ना ऐसे ऐसे. So I got this from Amazon for like $700. So yeah, I will try link it down below in the description. I will just pull it up like this. पार्लर आंटी ने मेरा आईब्रोज बर्बाद करके रख दिया, छोटा छोटा कर दिया. उफ, सही. I think पहले ना if you are doing this before doing your eyes, do the eyebrows, because यहाँ से ना जब you do this यहाँ से मेकअप उठ जाता है. But I'm like used to it. But I will suggest कि पहले do the eyebrows, then do the eye makeup. See? Now I will take this Colossal eyeliner to fill it up. Then you see it's done. And I will do the same in this side as well. Now to make my eyebrows even more darker, because light eyebrows just doesn't suit me, I will take some darker shades from my eyeshadow palette, a black and a brown. I will mix it up and I will just fill it in thoda, not zyada but like, yeah, thoda, just like the way you did with the eyeliner. Just do it like that. See, it's proper done. And now I will just add some light ochre color with my fingers, some brown and ochre, just to fill this place. I can add a little shimmer here. I don't like putting a lot of highlighter, but yeah, thoda sa shimmer works. Not much, just to glow in the sun. I will just add concealer, face matte, to hide my blemishes and all the skin marks and dark circles. Yeah, so I will just. And the concealer which I'm using is from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and in the shade 40 Caramel. So just blush and contouring. Blush is very important to make you look blushy. I'm just using the Sugar Contour D4 Face Palette 01 Subtle Summit. Okay, this is the one. This has blush, contouring, bronzer type, and highlighter. So yeah, just put it here and drag. Don't add it here, like just pulls your face. Like, this is what I learned from makeup gurus. Add as much as you want. Some to your nose. What the fuck? Bitch.
This is life, guys. This is life.
Live with you.
ज्यादा बोलेगी ऊपर से ही पानी गिरा देंगे आस्ते आस्ते करके
Packing कर. Now some contouring. Not much. You don't want to look like क्या नाम था उसका, एंजेला जोली का जो मूवी था.
Maleficent.
Huh? Maleficent. Yeah, you don't want to look like Maleficent.
You want to. Everyone wants to look like.
No, like everyone wants to look like Angela Jolie, not the way she looked in that movie.
Oh, she looked amazing.
Yeah, but the jaw was like, you cannot go out like that. It will look bad.
I would love to.
On my jaws. Quick
This
way.
much makeup's required to make Shamster look like a human being.
So what?
ये कपड़ टाकड़वा है शर्मिष्ठा को है.
Shut up! Now I'm gonna put some lipstick, which is very important. And my regular go-to lipsticks are this one from LOreal. This is in the shade 310 No Judgement. Don't put any judgment on my makeup. So this is No Judgement, and then I top it up with this very nude 07 mild mauve shade from LAKMÉ Absolute. So just yes. You make me feel like a little.
जैसे गाना नहीं ऑन कर पा रहे तो वो कॉपीराइट आ जाएगा ना.
कॉपीराइट क्लेम आ जाएगा. एंड जस्ट टॉप इट अप. हो गया. I'm shooting this video, that's why we can't play song. नहीं तो copyright issue आ जाता है. Just overline your lips because you wanna have those juicy lips without any fillers. So you can have this like this. See. done. Now I'm gonna just do my hair and I will be ready. But before that, very important thing to do, especially like someone like me who have to keep this makeup for a really long time, और शादी या फिर शूट वगैरह में जो भी जा रहे हो, if you want to keep your makeup for a really long time, do
मेकअप
it.
फिक्स अप लगाओ.
So what I was saying is shut up.
And bend over.
So do invest on a good makeup fixer. This is a gifted product I got from UCAN BE. This is a matte finish setting spray. I don't know if this is available in India because this is China based and they are not delivering. You can use other brands like Colorbar.
Mac fix up and
How
Prime,
MAC is also good.
LOreal.
What is that you use? Color strobing cream.
Oh, I use Mac strobing cream, which is somewhere around 3,000 rupees, and it just gives you a dewy look without a shimmer, no shimmer. So it's for actually for men or someone who likes dewy. I like dewy, but right now I have not applied any makeup here because my skin got very dry and I was also sick. So daily she's doing makeup and all. As you can see, my skin. This is my natural skin. So I think I don't really need makeup. Let me know in the comment section down below if I need makeup or not. And you can lie and say that I need makeup, but deep down I know I don't. So, bye bitches.
and it's all done. Now I'm gonna do my hair and yeah. So yeah, I'm done with my makeup look. This is my daily everyday makeup look, and did hair straightening, added some jewelries. And if you liked this makeup video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm not a makeup artist, guru and something like that. This is just me doing my everyday makeup look. This is something which suits my face structure and my face. So yeah, you can try, and yeah, that's it. See you on the next video. And also don't forget to check up on what I'm saying. And also don't forget to watch my Darjeeling vlogs, which is available on my YouTube channel only. And tab tak ke liye, bye. See you soon on my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
So boring.